very hard for Jordan because it's his first game back. He's been out of his rhythm, but I thought he made a lot of big shots down the stretch. And he's a warrior. He likes to take up to the challenge. When he had 5 fouls, he wanted to guard the import on the other side. But the one thing I noticed with him is he brings a lot of dimension to his game. He can put the ball on the floor. He can hit the three. We become a quicker team, right? So Hester and him both good, just different players all around.
Thank you, Coach Luigi. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, good evening. Coach, medyo kinabahan ba kayo kanina when he got hurt sa early in the fourth and he was in the second?
Yeah, salamat just. Yeah, parang nakahawak siya sa tuhod niya eh. So, and then I think when they saw the slow-mo, I think his ankle buckled a bit. But, thank God it wasn't anything serious. There's been so many injuries that's been happening the past few games, right? So, you're asking about your injury. So we kind of...
I'm good.
So, he's okay.
Jordan, congratulations. Strong debut, but there was quite a scare early in the fourth quarter.
I'd just like to thank the team for believing in me. I know it's been hard, been rough for us these past couple weeks, but we're going to continue to fight. And it was a little bit scared, but I'm okay. I'm fine. Just my knee buckled a little bit, so it'll be all right.
Then you did some sit-ups, then went up the floor.
Yeah.
Coach, nung siyempre si Esa import ka ba, how was he recovering during period na si Esa import?
Yeah, Hess is a professional. He got a call. I don't think he's really been playing for a while, but he knows the situation and he held his ground. I mean, it was unfortunate. Jordan got injured right at the start. I thought we pulled one against Phoenix. It came down to the last possession, and then Hess came in and did a very decent job, right? If you look at it, if we had won the Phoenix and maybe the rain or shine game, we would have been 4-2, and now 5-2. But those games are tough. The key for us right now, I thought Coach Nenad also came out and really challenged these guys to to realize if we lose, our season's done. And these guys clean it up. We remind them things, but at the end of the day, these guys, they're vets out there. Him, Nu, Elaine, Bong. So, they talked out what to do. So, and then Coach Nenad also said that we need a whole bench. Like the last few games, you could feel that we were losing the rebounds. This is a game where we needed everybody. So, maganda na even our bench, you could see we were all involved.
Coach, just a follow-up on that kasi like si Limbo kasi the past week struggling tapos even though for a time, but how happy are you na they were able to regain yung kanilang offense?
Well, we know what the capability of Bong and Nu is, but games like this, you need them on point. What I mean by on point, even if they're missing shots, but you see they're active, they're in it, and that's what you want, right? So I thought in that fourth quarter when they went to that zone, we held the ball a little bit too much. When we kind of settled down and we got a little bit of movement and we found a mismatch, we were better. But again, I think this game was about defense. Led by this guy right here, Jordan. Was every time in the timeout he's saying stuff. At the half he was saying stuff. Before a game he was saying stuff, and I think the guys responded because to beat Ginebra, our last few games, you look at the times we faced Ginebra Magnolia, we didn't do well defensively. So maganda na we came up and you don't limit Ginebra to 88 points most of the time.
Jordan, how happy are you that you're able to contribute, especially those big shots in the fourth quarter, especially this was a game that you really need to win to keep your playoff hopes.
To be honest, I'm just happy to be out there on the court. I haven't played since June, so it just feels good to get the first win, and we just got to continue to fight once we come back from this break, and I'm going to continually work during this break, and yeah.
that sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to the Meralco.
Salamat, guys. Thank you.